Okay guys, in this video we're going to have a quick look at the voice narration. Now, because I'm actually screen recording through Camtasia, I can't do a live demo of this, but it's very straightforward and very simple. So I can walk you through it and show you what's what. Now this voice narration is particularly good for, well obviously for voiceovers, if you're vlogging and stuff like that and you've clipped up a video and you want to talk about that video. Because the good thing is, what you can do, you'll have your media on the timeline down here, and then you'll go to voice narration and you can hit play on the bottom here, and then you can hit start voice recording. So you can be watching the video like this, so I can be saying you know, here's where we climbed up a big mountain in a yellow coat, or whatever you want to say, and you can actually watch it and talk about it in real time. And then when you hit stop, it's going to drop it in on the timeline here, and it's going to be perfectly aligned with your video footage. So it's great for stuff like that. It's also good for those sales videos where you just have text coming up on a white background and you talk through that. I'll probably show an in-depth video of how to make one of those sales videos as well with Camtasia, because it's nice and easy to do. You can paste in a script here, so you can actually read off a script as well if you wanted to do that. And up here you can change which microphone you're using, but I can't do it at the moment because I'm actually using the microphone to record this video. Once it has recorded as well, it will go into the media bin here, so you'll see an audio file here, and it will just have recording and then a random number. What you can do is right click on that and then go rename. So say you've got a busy timeline down here and you've got lots of clips with lots of different parts where you recorded your voice, you can actually name them up here, so that when you're looking at them on the timeline or in here, then you know which recordings they relate to. So you might, you know, want to call it the beginning when we climbed up a mountain or whatever. So that's pretty much it. It's really easy to use. The only thing I haven't actually shown you is actually recording, but it's just really straightforward and really easy. So with that said, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now guys.
Thanks for watching the video. To watch the next one, click right here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here.